Today's vehicles and the tires they drive on are state-of-the-art, but the products used to repair these tires are yesterday's technology. Until now. Introducing the tire repair system of the 21st century, Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch. This totally new system in tire repair procedure, which state: dismount the tire for internal inspection, fill the entire puncture from tread to inner liner, create a seal at the inner liner. These standards are met without further damaging the inner liner by mechanical buffing. The Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch system, is simple to use, more economical than standard patches or patch plugs, and creates a superior repair. Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch, combines two state-of-the-art tire repair components: the Safety Seal Repair, which seals the entire injury from tread to inner liner, and the liquid patch, a specially formulated compound made from the same material used in today's inner liners. The liquid patch, when applied over the Safety Seal Repair filler and the inner liner, creates a tough, flexible, airtight patch that bonds permanently to the inner liner with no mechanical buffing. Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch tire repair system, is simple to use. Begin by examining and marking the injury. Dismount the tire and place the tire on the spreader with the injury located at either the 4 o'clock or 8 o'clock position. Mark the injury on the inside of the tire and check for any evidence of internal structural damage. Remove the puncturing object, carefully noting the direction of the injury. Re-examine the inside of the tire to determine the puncture size. The maximum repairable injury is 1/4 inch or 6.25 millimeters. Apply Safety Seal lube to the tip of the probe needle. Insert the probe carefully into the injury to determine the direction of the puncture. Once the direction is determined, vigorously probe the injury in a wide 360-degree motion. Proper probing allows for easier repair filler installation. In the case of truck tires, it may be necessary to further prepare the puncture with a carbide cutting tool. Clean and prime the inner liner with Safety Seal Plus Inner Liner Prep and Primer. This compound removes oil, dust, and mold release agents, while the specially formulated primer allows the liquid patch to bond permanently to the inner liner. The preparation is now complete, and we can begin repairing the tire. There is no mechanical buffing required. Fill the entire injury from tread to inner liner with Safety Seal Repair Filler. Apply lube to the tip of the needle. Working from inside the tire, insert the needle into the puncture until the side opening is visible beyond the tread. Insert the repair into the opening so equal lengths appear on each side of the needle. Applying even pressure, a slight twisting action can be used. Retract the T-handle until the needle can be released from the repair loop. If you have hooked a steel belt or the repair is too difficult to insert, simply push the needle back into the tire and re-probe using the hex shaft of your needle. Recheck the position of the repair. The repair can now be easily installed. An alternate technique for filling the puncture is to use the split-eye needle from the tread side of the tire. Readjust the tire on the spreader so the injury is located at the 6 o'clock position. Stand the repair filler upright. Apply a liberal coating of the liquid patch in a circular motion, starting at the top of the repair and working down to the base of the repair and inner liner. Allow adequate drying time. Remount the tire and reinflate to the manufacturer's recommended air pressure. Cut off the excess repair, leaving approximately 1/8 inch above the tread. Check your work with Safety Seal Seek-A-Leak Leak Detector. The puncture is completely sealed from tread to inner liner, and a perfect seal has been made without damaging the inner liner from buffing. We offer both a passenger and truck version of Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch. The procedure for repairing truck tires is the same as for passenger tires. Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch, is a tire repair system superior to any on the market today. It's simple to use, eliminating many of the complicated, time-consuming steps associated with other tire repair systems. The extra steps, and as you will note there are many, are highlighted. Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch, is economical. The per repair cost of Safety Seal Plus is less than a separate patch, a patch and separate plug, or a plug patch combi. The initial investment of a complete liquid patch kit is a fraction of the startup cost of a properly equipped patching station. Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch, eliminates further damage to the tire. Today's inner liners are very thin. Overbuffing can easily score the inner liner, causing irreparable damage. Installing a rubber plug or plug patch combi requires drilling and enlarging the puncture. Safety Seal Plus eliminates buffing and drilling. Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch, creates a superior repair that adheres to the inner liner, flexes with the tire, and seals the entire puncture. This repair has been run in a test for over 60,000 miles. It bonds perfectly to the inner liner and is completely intact. The liquid patch, made from the same material as the inner liner, becomes one with the inner liner. It remains flexible and adheres perfectly, even under extreme conditions. A reinforced radial patch is stiff and has limited flexibility, often separating from the tire. The liquid patch effectively repairs angled injuries as well. Combi systems cannot repair angled injuries greater than 15 to 20 degrees. Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch. The tire is dismounted for internal inspection. The entire injury is sealed from tread to inner liner. And the puncture is sealed at the inner liner. This is accomplished without further damaging the tire. Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch, is a superior repair system, economical, simple to use, eliminates further damage to the tire. Safety Seal Plus, the liquid patch, is truly the tire repair of the 21st century.